An object of mass 0.2 kilograms moves with an initial velocity u. It collides with a stationary object of mass 0.3 kilograms. The objects stick together when they collide. No external forces act on the objects. What is the final velocity of the two objects after their collisions? So it's a question about what about collisions, and we remember that we can apply a law of conservation of momentum to find velocities before, after, and so on. And law of conservation of momentum can be applied when there are no external forces. Here it is given, and how it works. Total momentum before is equal to total momentum after, but momentum, it's mass times velocity, and it's a vector quantity, and it should be considered with respect to chosen direction. Let x be positive to the right, and we should consider components of vectors or in projection on x-axis. So the object momentum can be positive or negative in general. So an object of mass moves the initial velocity u. It moves to the right. So u, it is directed to the right. It collides with stationary object. It's 0.2 and some stationary object of 0.3. So total momentum before, it becomes what? 0.2 u, and the second has zero velocity, so its momentum is zero, and total moment is equal to total momentum after. Momentum after they stick together, so we can consider them as one object of mass 0.5, and they will have some unknown velocity, let it be v, and this v should be found. And in general, if you get this v which you get to be positive, it means that the object will be moving to the right, and if you get negative, it means that object or objects will be moving to the left. Here it's quite simple situation. Definitely they cannot move to the left, so here quite easy. V is what? 0.2 u divided by 0.5, or 2 over 5, which is what? 0.4 u. So it's 0.4 u. A is correct, and that's all for this question.